So what is next for the NSX? This is actually from Science of Speed. It's the JB4 tuning box. Chris at Science of Speed has done a whole bunch of R&D with this thing. He has used a couple of cars, as far as I know, to guinea pig it and play with it right from baby steps all the way to where it is right now. Basically, it intercepts factory signals in the ECU. The good thing about it is it allows the ECU to still monitor, not control, air-fuel ratio, temperature, that kind of thing. All it does is add a little bit of boost, and I think it's like 2 to 3 PSI. Okay, so I'm not going to do an install video. There's already a really good video on Science of Speed's channel, and it shows you really clear how to put it on. It really is pretty simple. It's just time consuming, and take your time to make sure everything plugs in. It is plug and play, which means you unplug something, you plug it back in. There's no cutting wires, no drilling holes. There's no permanent modification to your NSX at all. It's just truly plug and play. It couldn't get any simpler. Okay, so let's cut right to the chase. Let's see if it actually works. I don't like doing those reviews where you cheat things to make it look good so that the manufacturer will now give you more stuff. I know there's a lot of that going on, but that's not truthful. It's not the way I want to do it, and I don't want to buy something from someone that was paid to make it look better than it actually is. So I don't want to do that. What I will do is I'm going to put a couple of GoPros on the car, take it to the track, and show you exactly what it does. The track doesn't lie, and I don't anticipate ever prepping the car to do a track only thing. Prepping it means drop the tire pressure, put ice on the intake manifold, take everything out the car that you possibly can. You're cheating yourself, you're cheating your times. It's not a verified time. I don't like doing that. I like to drive up to the track and run it. So you ready? Here we go. Here's the first run of the car, bone stock. Okay, so when I said this was the very first run, the car still had the delivery gas in it. Of course, when you buy a brand new car, they fill it all the way to the top. I wanted to get a base run. Again, the track doesn't lie. You can't cheat the track. The ET will tell you the horsepower pretty much every single time, and the mile an hour, of course. You put those together, there's a lot of calculators. So this is what it ran just the way it came. 11.18 at 123.3. So the next run is the car with an exhaust system on it, nothing else. The titanium exhaust that we did is lighter than stock. It's about a 25-pound weight savings, and the Science of Speed downpipes saves you about 12 pounds. Other than that, it's in street trim, which means drive it there, drive it to the event, run it. Just the way it would drive every day. It's the only true comparison in my opinion. So let's see that. Okay, so that is the run with the downpipes and the exhaust only. Nothing else has changed. The car has 93 octane in. I drove from our shop to the drag strip at West Palm Beach, which was about a 4-hour drive. Got in line, ran the car. That's it, no prep. 11.04 at 125.2. Okay, you've been waiting. Here it is. This is the run with the JB4 tuning box. This is just the map number 1. This is the one that's designed for 91 octane. I'm running 93 because I'm still trying to be really conservative with this car. I don't want to push it. I just want to see if it works, see if it makes a little bit more power. So I'm running 93 octane. This is map 1, which is the 91 octane tune. I think it's supposed to add about 40 to 50 horsepower. You ready? Let's do it. So that's it, 10.75 on 128.8. So I think that proves the car is definitely faster. The mile an hour is faster, the ET is faster. The car now feels like a rocket. The good part about it is, and again everyone's going to ask, I ask the same question, how does the car drive? Does it drive the same? Has it affected the drivability? No, the car drove from my shop in Pinellas Park to West Palm Beach, which is about 4 hours away. I did probably 15 runs at the drag strip, testing it in sport mode, sport plus, track mode, experimenting. It's cool. It was a private track rental, so there was no restriction on time. You get to run the car in every different possible scenario. Tried manual shifting, tried automatic. The automatic goes faster, by the way. And the fact it drove normal, and it's just so much faster. The car feels like a rocket. Well, you know, I couldn't resist it. I had to press map number 2 and try it. I went to the drag strip at Bradenton and put it on map number 2 just to see if it'll go that little bit faster. And again, street trim, drove it there, drove it to the line, ran the car. That's the definition of a true street car, to drive it on the street and have the same performance as what you get at the track, hence street trim. So here it is, let's see what it does. So that's it, 10.65 at 129.9. It is officially the world's fastest NSX. Whether it's world's fastest, world's quickest, I don't know. It's the lowest ET. I'm in a group on Facebook of about 200 and so NSXs, and we all kind of know what everybody else is running. There is a few guys with the similar mods to me, and I'm running just that much faster. I'm running 1065, the next fastest guy is 1066. I'm gonna sit on top of my mountain and talk about it because I know I'm not gonna be up here very long, because I know he's gonna go faster and there's somebody else gonna go faster. That's what makes it fun. Everyone's enjoying their cars. I'm enjoying the NSX, and to be honest now, I feel it's where it should be. I don't wanna be the guy that says it should run 9s. It drives fantastic. If you do get a chance to drive one, I'll say, I said it before, it drives better. It's a better car than I thought it was. I didn't anticipate keeping the car for any kind of length of time. I wanted to get into it, do a little bit of work, experience the car, and then move on to something else. But to be honest, with the few modifications I've done, the car feels fantastic. I'm loving the car more and more every day. So the question is the JB4 tuning box worth it? I would say yes. Look at the times don't lie. Signs of Speed has put a lot of work into making this a plug-and-play install. They've done the tuning, they've tested it, they've triple tested it. There is about 20 cars around the country right now running this box, and they are running them at the drag strip all the time, as well as street driving. That's what I like about it. The car runs and drives exactly the same way. There's no side effects, there's no drivability issues. It runs fantastic. Now I love the car. I gotta say, I liked the car, now I love the car. It sounds good, it's fast, it looks fantastic, and with the few tweaks that I've done, it's just made me enjoy the car even more. That's what it's all about. Getting the car, personalizing it, and of course tweaking it. So thanks for watching. I'm John at LHT Performance. You can hit up Signs of Speed for the tuning box, and you can hit us up if you're interested in one of our titanium exhausts. There is more to come on this car soon. Hit the subscribe button, click the like, and we'll see you in the next video.